This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. Breathtaking inside and out. Split bedrooms offer privacy when friends and company arrive. Great room boasts of easy care laminate flooring. Chef's kitchen opens to bright breakfast nook. Sliding glass doors open to raised enclosed porch that faces east to capture the breeze. Double carport and large workshop complete the outside. $792 paid annually to BBRD in yearly tax. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.